So let's have a look now at inserting some wire numbers into our AutoCAD electrical project. Now you'll notice that we're still in Demo 10 project. That's because we're still in section 10 of the course. And I've still got the drawing demo02.dwg open. However, you will notice that I've changed the wiring slightly. I've deleted the old wires that we had in the previous video. What I've done now is inserted a 3-phase multiple wire bus with a 3-phase motor there, and I've also just got a single wire there so that we can have a look at numbering our wires in different ways. So let's have a look at the 3-phase first. I'm going to the schematic tab on the ribbon, into the Insert Wires, Wire Numbers panel, click on the flyout in the middle, and I want 3-phase. That'll open up the dialog box, and you can see there's a prefix of P, which I've set to hold. There's a base number of 1, which I've also set to hold, so that's our P1 here in the list of wire numbers. The suffix, however, I've set to L1, and it's going to increment. So I get L1, L2, L3, and so on. There's going to be a maximum of 3 of them because it's a 3-phase wire bus, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm asked to select the wire P1, L1. What I could do here is I could just draw a fence through all 3. You'll notice I've got the fence option down at the bottom there on the command line, and if I right-click as well, I've got fence there as well. So if I click on fence like so and pick the first fence point, drag the fence through the wires and click outside like so. As soon as I do that, did you see the numbers start to appear? When I click on OK to confirm, those numbers are added. And then what I can do is just press Escape now to cancel the command. Now you'll notice when I hover over these, you'll see that they're a block reference, but they're wire fixed. That's because they're part of a 3-phase circuit that is fixed to that motor. So let's have a look now at just putting a regular wire number in. That's this one here, wire numbers on the flyout menu. If I go there, I've got all these different options. All I'm going to do is make sure that line reference is set there. Everything else I'm going to leave as is. I'm not going to do it project wide. I'm not going to do it drawing wide. I'm going to pick an individual wire. And I'm going to select that wire there. So if I click on that wire there and press enter to confirm, there's the next sequential wire number for that wire. And you'll notice this time I don't need to press escape to get out of the command. So you can see there I've got a 204 number for that wire, P1L1, P1L2, P1L3 for my 3-phase motor.